Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on iPhone with iOS 26. So to turn on Bluetooth, you have two options. The first one is just to swipe down from the top of the screen, and as you can see, there is that box on the top right of the screen. You have just to long press on it, and after that, as you can see, there is the Bluetooth option available here. Or you can go to settings, and after that go to Bluetooth, and from here you can activate and deactivate your Bluetooth. So for example, my Bluetooth now is activated and my Apple Watch is like paired to it. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.